Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to access my eyes only on the Snapchat. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat and you have to open your eyes only on the Snapchat from the memories. Once you will do it, here you will see you have to enter the passcode to access my eyes only on the Snapchat. So if you know your passcode, you can simply enter your passcode and you can easily access it. But in case if you forget your password, simply you have to click on the options on the right bottom. Once you will do it, here you will see two options: change passcode and other is forgot passcode. So if you already know the passcode current passcode, then you can simply go for change passcode. But in case you forget your passcode, then simply click on the forget passcode, and here you have to enter the Snapchat password. Once you will enter your password, now you have to click on the next, and here you will see when you forget your passcode you can no longer access my eye only. You can simply click on this button I understand and click on the continue. Here you have to enter a new passcode. Once you will do it, confirm again, and this is the way you can access your my eye only on the Snapchat. Now enter your current passcode from here and access your my eye only. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.